Crack your neck. It might feel good, but it's not as harmless as you think. Most people do it for relief, so what's really happening? I'll explain. But before I tell what happened next, if you love money more than your mom, ignore this. But if you love your mom more than money, hit that like button, subscribe, share this video. Also comment, I love you, mom. Here's the truth. When you crack your neck, gas bubbles in your joints release, creating that popping sound. But forcing it too often can strain muscles and ligaments, and in rare cases even affect blood vessels. That's why doing it habitually isn't the safest idea.